Hey you guys, I wanted to just show you something that Rachel and I were tinkering with and hopefully helping you guys out with taking attendance. So when you take attendance, you'll get this box that will pop up. And if you go right up here, you could do add class. And for example, I could type in drawing 1. Online course maybe. And I then hit this button right here and it will add my class to it. And then when I start getting students, it rolls in through here. When I close down the whole conversation, the roster will be built. And then from that, it will populate 2 pop-ups down at the bottom of your screen right here. One that's a Google Chrome and one that's Excel. I thought this was really cool, but Rachel and I couldn't figure out how to find it, so I wanted to show you guys that part. If you guys go down to your downloads section, like later, to go back and figure out where the stuff is stored, it took us a little bit to figure this out, so I went over here to our downloads. Okay, of course it's not going to show up right now. Downloads, there it is. And so it will populate your enrollment. So like for my visual arts, check this out. It shows who was attending, what time they logged in, and then what time they logged out. And I left my session open for kids to be a part of, to just kind of ask questions if needed. So I thought that was really kind of cool that it shows who's in attendance and for how long they are in attendance. And so that saves down at your downloads. So if you go to your downloads, that circle. Otherwise, the Excel sheet just opens up a little different, and it's not as visual to me. This is all you get, which is fine. I wish I could figure out how to open up maybe all classes at the bottom so I could just toggle between tabs. So if anybody figures that out, that'd be cool. But otherwise, I'm going to make folders on my desktop of all of these different reports to help me, I guess, document attendance. So just wanted to let you know Rachel and I's discovery. Hope you guys are having fun.